Well, we'll do just a quick video. We got twin Humvees. They're both set up exactly alike. So you know we drive from up top via cable. You don't have to get in. And then we have a split deck. So this section with the two seats is on a scissor lift. Also, we have a winch for lifting game, because you can skin them right here. Some of the other ones have that on a boom. This one will lift it up rather close, but you got your little deck you can work on and all your shit fall right through it. You know, you scrape that gut pile off to the side. Let's see what we got here. Now mind you, these fuckers are street legal too. Okay, it's got this non-skid pool surface on top, so you know you got your bloody feet and you ain't slipping and sliding. So you got this area here, scissor lifts up. So that little portion will lift up. Cooler lockers under the seat. And then you drive from up here. So you don't have to get in the car down there. You just come right up here into the pilot seat. You got stereo. Like I said, there's a hopper on front for the feeder. So you have that full, you pull up, open that hopper up and back up in reverse, and then sit back in the bushes, put the scissor lift up and pop them when they come to grub. Nice. You do your shifting right there. Typical brake pedal, but you will run your throttle from here. Also, you don't have to go down to stop and start it. You have ignition push button right there. Nice rifle holders. You just flip this to the side. Barrel of your rifle sticks up, buttstock goes down in the plate. Click, hold your rifle. Also, gun rack in there. Bobby Hill would be impressed because you know he wanted to put a gun rack on his bicycle. And little Ford's out there, and Tom's checking it out. But I thought I would show you the pilot's seat. Now this is a little chute. You put your trash in there and it drops down into a receptacle in the bottom, so you don't go hauling ass off and have your debris blowing in the field. So I got another A-arm. Bubba's welding it up in there for me. But that's the hopper. So you fill that up with feed. And that's it. And like I said, these are real Hummers. Real Humvees. Not fakies, you know? This one's all latched up. You already saw inside that one. So, same thing over here. See, there's one of the fake ones. And they got this one hooked up. This is the one I wanted to show you inside, but the guy to give me the tour is not here. But this is the bathroom. And there's a stand-up shower in there.
Oh, and it's air conditioned as well.
Yeah, it's AC. There's a control panel for everything. Got a hopper here that will, you pull the boards up and can drop, or also it slides out. So, like I said, it has a Blackstone built in, so you can pull your griddle out, do your cooking. Side burner, some chairs, and a table. You know, ready for your grub steak. And a little reef. See what's hiding in there. Oh, it's empty and clean. Your refrigerator. Trash hopper. Little deck cleaning. A little bit of storage and bottle open. Generator to run your goods. Gear locker. Here, hang on, let's show you this here. This is a now you may have seen spice cabinets, but this is a sliding gun locker. Looks like you can hold 2, 4, 6, 8 weapons in there. Weapon of your choice, you know. Only need one. This here. Another gear locker. Trash bags, big heavy duty ones. Scissor lift controls. Stereo and lights all the way around. This chute comes down. This is actually the bags are there because this is where trash from upstairs comes down. Gun locker. Ammo bin. So the hopper for feed. Let me see. This is latched up. But you know what? Let's go up here. Still doing a little touch-up work on this baby. The top is hydraulic here. It'll pop up to give you headroom. And this one's a trailer. You don't drive from up above on this one. You pull it in, drop it off. So you got the trash hopper there, a dual gun rack. Another dual gun rack up in the front. You can lay back on the chase lounge there if you know you're sleeping on the stick. Got your table for sitting there and grubbing. You know, you want them tacos de lengua, and tripas, cabeza, and sesos. See here, when you go out, you can get fresh brains and make tacos de sesos. Yep. So you put your step up and down here. I was crawling over it, but that's the trailer. And then they take brand new Jeeps, whatever you bring in, they hack the bed off, hack the top off, make it right. See, there'd be hoods left over and doors left over. There's another Ford. You drive from up top. Cut the cab. This is the cab and all off of that Jeep that was in there getting the aluminum frame set up. Bed full of crap. So we bring them in, cut them up, and send them out. That's the Ford I like right there, though, man. I really like that gun. I'll tell you what. And there's some other, kind of a stock setup. Kind of a stock setup. And another one over there. There's some more out back too. I said the other one out back there, one of them was driving along and hit a damn tree. Who'd have thunk it? Alright, well, we're gonna get in the little baby truck and head out. See y'all later. Maybe.